there's a sentence I want you to write down because I'm going to answer all the other questions with this one sentence. And as you get through the modules in eastonuniversity.com, you'll learn a lot more. But this sentence is critical and vital. When you say blank, can you give me a specific example? Right? So when they say, hey, we want to reduce costs. When you say you want to reduce costs, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, they're too expensive. Too expensive? Yeah, we're paying X and we want to be paying X. Why the difference there? Well, we want to invest it in this. Now you're organically peeling that onion back, right? We want to make sure that we keep our employees. When you say you want to keep your employees, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, we've had some folks leave. Don't stop there and go, oh my gosh, I can help prevent that. Who left? Right? Man, Lena, one of our rock stars, she was amazing. She's incredible. In terms of importance to the organization, you know, if you had to put a number on it, what do you think it costs to have Lena leave the organization? By the way, they're going to have these conversations with you. I'm going to get to Will next. Okay? Will was just setting up, in a previous life, Will was just setting appointments for other people to close the deal, and Will was having conversations that were that freaking deep. And they were like, man, I didn't even think about it. If we could change our machine to this machine, we could bring this many. I didn't even really think about it. We could double the output at the imaging center, right? And that would give us the cash flow that we need to blah, 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 and blankety blank. They were having a conversation with somebody that was just setting an appointment because he was slowing down and saying things like, when you say you want to increase your scan volume, can you give me a specific example? Why is that? Right? What's most important to you? What's your biggest reason for wanting to blank? These are all questions in your Power Questions course that I want you to use. But the only one I want to really focus on right now is when you say blank, can you give me a specific example? That's also in the Power Responses. We want to always make sure when somebody starts to paint the picture that we just hand them some more paint and some more brushes and go, paint away. Right? Paint me a mural, because the more they talk, the more we're gathering information. And then we can say, Lena, because of the fact that you said blank, I'd like to recommend blank. And that might be signing up with you. It might be a next appointment. Right? That's how Will was getting his appointment. Because of the fact that you said X, Y, Z, and ABC with your current equipment, I'd like to recommend that we get you in touch with our account manager, and they can walk you through how we can possibly replace those units that you have right now and get 30% more volume through the facility. But this is where you just got to have them talk as much. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.